Morena, Tamariki-ma, Whānau, and Kayako. It's so good to see you again. I've been keeping busy reading books, looking after the house, spending time outside, and finding ideas of lots of fun things for you to do while you are spending time at home at the moment. However, a little birdie has told me that some of our tamariki are missing the routines and songs of our centre. So I had an idea. How about we sing our kai karakia together? Great! Oh, but there's something we need to do first. Something we always do before we eat. Wonder what it is. Oh, did you say wash your hands? Horoia ringa ringa? Oh, of course! Washing our hands is very important. Ka pai tamariki ma? Okay, so we've washed our hands, we've come to the kai table, and it's time to sing our kai karakia. We are really lucky because we have 2 kai karakia that we sing. We have one for our pepe, our babies, and one for our older tamariki, our older children. Let's sing our pepe's karakia first. Ready? Whakapiria koutou o ringa ringa, ka ēnei tātou. Whakapainga ēnei kai, whakapainga ēnei kai, whakapainga ēnei kai, atua, Amine. Great work! Okay, now it's time for our karakia for our older children. Whakapiria koutou o ringa ringa, ka ēnei tātou. E tō matou ki tō rangi whakamoemiti, ēnei matou ki a koe, mō ēnei kai, Amine. Wow! That was so fun! Should we do it again? What do you think? Yes? Okay. This time we'll start with our karakia for our older children. E tō matou. Ready? E tō matou ki tō rangi whakamoemiti, ēnei matou ki a koe, mō ēnei kai, Amine. Okay, now our Pepe's karakia. Whakapainga. Whakapainga ēnei kai, whakapainga ēnei kai, whakapainga ēnei kai, atua, Amine. Excellent work, tamariki ma. I'm so proud of you. Well, I hope that has helped you to feel a little bit more connected to your friends and to your kayako. Always remember that we love you very much and can't wait to hear from you or see you as soon as we can. Stay safe, stay healthy, look after your family, and have lots of fun. He waka eka noa. We are all in this together. Ka kite anō. See you soon.